for you? I am asking you. Money is available in Delhi, it's okay. If it is available, that is you are comfortable. In Andhra Pradesh, ATMs are not functioning. And also, money is not available for pensions sometimes. Even Narega workers, they are not getting money. Even if you see here, very bad situation, corruption banks. And also they are bringing one more act. Because of that act, any deposits will be converted into equity if they are lost. Then everybody is not keeping, they are lost confidence slowly on banks. That is another problem. GST not yet settled. If you see here, even so much of pains for the common man. Even rupee devaluation is haunting us, all of us. Even if you see farmers' distress, they said very clearly they will make double the income once in 4 years. Nothing has happened as of now. Even procurement is a big problem. Even imports and exports, there is no scientific basis they are doing. Because of that, farmers are suffering. Unemployment is increasing. SC, ST, minority atrocities, this is also one of the major issues in the recent times. There is no security, this type of people. So with all these things, one is state issue, another is national issues. Especially, we are focused on state issues. We have then with all these things, for the last so many days, we fought. Finally, 2 sessions, we lost opportunity. Finally, they accepted no confidence. For no confidence, if you see, almost so many parties they supported. Congress, Trinamool Congress, CPM, CPI, MIM, Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Party, Akali Dal, DMK, Rashtriya Janata Dal, Janata Dal S, Indian Union Muslim League, NCP, PDP, Kerala Congress. These are all the persons they supported. Even we didn't ask Congress to support no confidence also, they supported. Ultimately, yesterday meeting, not only raising state issues or bifurcation issues, in Parliament, all honorable members of Parliament, they are able to raise national issues and also respect to state issues also. Very disappointment, Honorable Prime Minister didn't reply properly or redress the problems. Whenever there is an occasion, this type of occasion, he has to rise to the occasion and sort out the problems and convince people. If you are able to do something, then it will have an impact on our people. If you won't do, yesterday also, there is a feeling among our people. They have given me 13 minutes, 14 minutes time to start with. No confidence, we have moved. They are saying your number is very less, so we are not giving any time. That means our number is very less, you are not allowing our voice. And at the same time, even if we move no confidence to so many difficulty, you are not allowing us to tell what injustice has been done to Andhra Pradesh. With the great difficulty, with limited time, our honorable members has focused to the nation what is the injustice it has been done to us. Even some of the national issues also. These are all the problems. We are also part and parcel of India. Naturally, there is a financial crunch, it will have impact. There is GST impact, it is on us. Even on agriculture, there is impact on farmers. So these are all the issues we are able to project yesterday. But ultimately, I wanted to request the nation. through you, I want to thank all political parties and also members of parliament who supported Andhra Pradesh cause, apart from other issues, who supported us. I am thanking them. Very crucial time you stood for us, and also you extended your cooperation, and also you also supported our views. The people of Andhra Pradesh will remember you. And now I am demanding Government of India, at least now, what is the confidence you have given, what is the promises you have made on the Bifurcation Act and also special status you honor. This is our right we are feeling. You cannot betray us. Why I am saying we are wounded. We are having a problem. Without our mistakes or mistake, we are suffering today. 60 years, all of you has to understand, nation, every citizen has to understand. If you work somewhere 60 years, you create something. All of a sudden, if you say you are no way concerned to this, then how it will be? That is the situation for us. But governments has to do justice, especially Government of India. As a elderly or head of the family, they have to do justice. They are also taxpayers, they are also voting for governments, both central government, state government. Whenever there is injustice, they have to come forward and do justice. This is my demand on behalf of 5 crore people. Earlier, I had an alliance. I tried my level best. 29 times I came to Delhi. I met everybody. Ultimately, I didn't get any justice. Again, I withdrew support. I broke alliance. Now I am fighting. In the process, we are able to move. No conference also. Now I am demanding Government of India to fulfill all the demands at least. And at the same time, we are not going to leave this fight till justice has been done to Andhra Pradesh. We are fighting for justice. You may have a majority, but morality is with us. That is where I am fighting now. I am also a senior politician in this country. I have formed so many governments, starting with the National Front. My father-in-law has created, I was associating with that. I created United Front, 2 prime ministers, and I supported NDA, number 1, NDA 1 that is headed by Evan Vajpayee. Never I create problems to anybody. And at the same time, whenever there is a justice, I am very firm. I am very decisive. I will fight for justice. This is in brief.
Sir, I am JCM from USS. Now that you are not a part of the NDA, are you open to the idea of joining hands with the Congress, given the fact that they have declared that this will be one of the first things that they will do if they return to power in 2019?
No, I know politics in India better than all of you. Some of you, at least, some seniors are there. During NF also we dealt politics. As a political party, sometimes we had, in India, you have seen in India there are some compulsions also for political parties. They are fighting in different states with different political parties. Then how to collaborate all these things, they will take their own comfort or convenience. Even I have created United Front. If you see India, there are so many things. I am not talking today about politics. You are asking politics, I am telling you. Otherwise, today I came only to place before the nation injustice done to Andhra Pradesh. Only I am seeking justice. But you asked me, that's why I am telling you.
In principle, are you okay with it? In principle, are you okay with it?
No, what I am saying, no. No, you cannot ask questions hypothetical, if it happens, what is going to happen, all these things. But we'll play a role in national level. That we'll do. How to do, where to do, all these things is a matter of time. One more minute, I will come back. No, afternoon I'm sitting with my MPs. We'll decide action plan. That's what I'm saying. This fight will continue. Earlier, we had an association alliance. We couldn't achieve. Now we are fighting. Through fight, I want to achieve. In Andhra Pradesh, unfortunately, there are parties. Yesterday, if you see, one party is in court. Today morning, he had a press conference, YSR Congress Party, again accusing me. They resigned. Why they resigned, they don't know. When they resign, they know very well elections won't come. Earlier, they asked me to follow them. To me, is giving lectures or teaching me in politics. They are all small. They don't know anything in national politics. You colluded with BJP or NDA government for your cases. You asked me to follow. That means he will lead. First of all, he asked to resign. What we will do after resignation? Nobody will listen in Delhi. Even MPs are fighting. There is no results. Without MPs, who will listen to us? Second one, they asked me recently to move no confidence. We moved no confidence. Immediately they resigned, they run away. Now he is attacking us. One more party, Pawan Kalyan, is giving throughout the day yesterday tweets. Why he is doing all these things? When I am fighting, you are giving tweet to demoralize our people. Is it right? Everybody has to fight for justice. That they are not doing. It is very clear collusion. Anyway, we will do that.
I have one question.
Please.
Yesterday, throughout the day, the line of attack of the BJP or the government, whether from Rajnath Singh to the Prime Minister, was basically reaching out at TDP and all other opposition parties which have supported the no confidence motion, saying that there is no trust between yourselves. Meaning, hitting out at the opposition parties coming together.
I'm asking you, there is a trust within the BJP? You tell me, why you are talking big questions, trust, all these things? It is a combination sometimes. Different political parties, different attitudes will be there, but they join for a common cause.
Sir, is TRS taking your place in the NDA because you have come
No, you ask them. You are asking a wrong person for that question. Now, how can I answer that question? It is their willing. As a political party, either TRS or NDA, that is their choice to join or not to join. If you ask me, how can I tell? That is not my area to answer. 1 minute.
ममता बनर्जी ने आज कोलकाता में रैली करके कहा कि 9 अगस्त से बीजेपी भारत छोड़ो का आंदोलन चलाएगी। क्या आपको ममता बनर्जी ने प्रधानमंत्री पद की छवि दिखती है?
No, that's what I am asking you. Again, you are going in a different area. You wanted to create problems. I know how you told me in your question also. I was responsible for 2 prime ministers. Yes, I am proud to say that. At the time, some of you are here in AP Bhavan. 48 hours, we have taken a decision also for Prime Minister single man. They asked me, we are having confidence. Who are all the leaders? Jyoti Basu, Bardhan, our Karunanidhi, Moopanal, even Farooq, all stalwarts. Mulayam, Lallu, all of us. We we have taken decision. So what I am saying, today, that is not the issue. Today, in the national interest, we have to work each other and we will work together for future, how to mold the nation, how to develop the nation. That is the important issue.
Mr. Naidu, you said that Prime Minister Modi is criticizing you severely, even calling you less mature than KCR. Do you think he is criticizing you because you are one of the top contenders of his post?
I am not a pretender, I am not expecting any post in Delhi. I denied so many times, even long back, not now. Around 95-96, I got opportunity. They forced me also. At one stage, everybody told me, you accept, or otherwise, this is not correct. Then I said, no, I don't want it. That is how I was very clear. Even today, I am preparing a model for the country. Development model. It is a new state, so many problems, but I am confident it will be a very good model for development, how to make it most livable place. That is where I am working. I don't have any aspiration. I am not a contender or aspirant for any post in Delhi.
Sir, you said that the BJP got the majority and you were also one of the people who helped BJP get the majority. Do you regret the decision of joining the only revamp because of Modi? And you also accused the Prime Minister of not living up to the promises made on the corruption thing. Do you think Prime Minister has not fulfilled his electoral promises made in 2016?
No, that is what I am saying. We joined together for overall development of Andhra Pradesh, overall development of the nation. We got mandate by promising all these things. Now NDA, reasons not known. They are not fulfilling the demand, aspirations or commitments. So I am differing with them. Otherwise, no need to fight with them. Anybody? Madam? No, I answered you, no? I answered enough. You are having some more doubts, I will answer you. YSR Congress, in what way comparable to me? PM is talking that. What he promised before elections? All corrupt cases. He will complete the trials within 1 year time and punish the guilty. How many years is over now for that YSR Congress leaders and everybody? What is his answer? Is it the way of comparing with a senior politician with corrupt politicians? Is it correct approach? Is it fair? I am asking. So it is not a correct approach what he is doing. Dignity of the Prime Minister is important. It is a constitutional post. He has to keep it up.
Rajnath Singh has said that you are still a good friend of NDA. But the NDA pushes the Prime Minister to rejoin.
That is what I am asking. Everybody will say we are in politics for so many years. I have seen all politicians in India for the last 40 years. I worked with them, I differed with them. You know very well, you have time. I differed with Vajpayee. Single man, I was responsible for 14 days or 15 days. Again, he moved vote of confidence. He was unable to prove it. He resigned first time in 96-95. That was the first time. So that is a different issue. Now I am fighting for my state. Why you are not doing justice for us? Those who are not doing justice, yes, definitely I will fight with them, not enemies. But at the same time, I will fight for justice. It is a continuous process. Not friend, not enemy or well-wisher, that is a different issue. That is what I am saying. Please.
Sir, the members of parliament, that there has been allegations that BJP did not use the House judiciously for raising the issues of Andhra Pradesh and wasting a lot of time in praising the Chief Minister. Sir, we'd like to know your views on that.
Who has done that?
Sir, today the morning Congress was protesting and they had said this.
Who?
Yes, sir.
Who has paid whom? in the parliament. Nobody has praised anybody. They are only issues they have raised. You go through the speech.
Friends,
Even at least BJP MPs praised Narendra Modi, not my MPs. You have to understand.
Friends, we will join for lunch. We will
1 minute, 1 minute. Last question.
There is some amount of criticism of by the Parliament for protesting in the well of the House at the time of the Prime Minister was replying.
Oh, I am asking you a straight question. Don't mistake me. You are all media. Who has moved no confidence? Telugu Desam has moved no confidence. Everybody supported. What is the reply? How much time he has spent on that? Honorable Prime Minister, you tell me. Is it the way? Is it the way I am asking? First of all, we have moved no confidence. He has to answer for us. Then only he can go and attack others. Conveniently, he is going attacking others. He is diluting the subject, and then he is saying you